Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program a 2008 Honda Fit key fob. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed and both keys ready. Insert the original key, turn to on, then back to lock 5 times ending in on. Remove the key and quickly insert the new fob, pressing the lock button until lights flash to confirm programming is complete. Begin by confirming all doors are closed and the trunk is shut. Insert the original key and perform the on and lock cycle 5 times, finishing in on to enter programming mode. Remove the key and immediately use the new fob, holding the lock button until the car responds with a lock or light flash. Test the fob at short range to ensure full function before reassembling everything. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers for keeping small parts, screws, and spare batteries tidy while you work, and they also save kitchen messes, perfect for greasy hands. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounded random, think of it as multitasking humor. Now let's get back to the video. If programming doesn't work, first swap in a fresh battery in the new fob and try again. Confirm the replacement fob matches your vehicle's remote frequency and model. If the car fails to enter programming mode, repeat the on and lock cycle more deliberately and allow a 30-second pause between attempts. When in doubt, try another identical fob to isolate whether the issue is the remote or the procedure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.